Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Math Help. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to graph an equations by plotting points. It's very simple. You can easily plot points from the graph. So let's see how you can do that. Okay, now we have equation over here. If you see, it's a graph and equation y equal to minus x plus 2 by plotting a points. So we don't have a points. So I have already make a table to get some points. Now how we can get points, then we can graph it. So let's get started. We have equation here. Our original equation is y equal to negative x plus 2. Okay, now I'm gonna take a randoms. Okay, I'm gonna take a randoms points. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see what happened when x is 0. So here we can see when x is 0, what gonna be y value. So when x is 0, our y equal to negative x plus 2, our y equal to negative 0 plus 2, which is gonna be plus 2. So our y gonna be what? 2, right? Same way, when x is gonna be 1, what happened when x is equal to 1? So our y equal to what? Negative x plus 2. So y is equal to negative 1 plus 2, which is 1, right? So our y gonna be what? 1. Same way, I'm gonna take some negatives. Negative 1. So when x is equal to negative 1, our y gonna be what? Negative x plus 2. So our negative times negative 1 plus 2. So negative times negative positive. So 1 plus 2 is equal to what? 3. So our y gonna be 3. Same way, when x is equal to 2, we substitute x value in this equation. Okay, so when x is equal to 2, our y equal to negative x plus 2. So y is equal to negative 2 plus 2, which is gonna be 0. So it's gonna be 0. Let's take some more points. Let's take negative 2. So when x is equal to sorry, when x is equal to negative 2, our y gonna be what? Negative x plus 2. So y is equal to negative times negative 2 plus 2, which is gonna be 4. So y is gonna be 4. Let's take two more points. 3. So when x is equal to 3, our y gonna be what? Negative x plus 2. So negative 3 plus 2 is equal to 1, right? So our y gonna be 1. So negative 1. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. So our y gonna be negative 1. Okay, now let's take negative 3. X is equal to negative 3. So y is equal to negative x plus 1, sorry, 2. So negative times negative 3 plus 2 is gonna be 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So our y gonna be 5. Okay, so now you know how to find the points. Okay, so you have to just substitute x, some random values, numbers 0, 1, 2, negative 2, 3, like that. Take some more points like 5, 6 points is enough. So how you get the y value? By substituting x value. Whatever the x value you choose, just substitute that and get the y value. Okay, these x numbers we take random. Now we get the points. Now if we write this as in coordinate system, in coordinate form, okay, so if you see in the coordinate form is x and y, right? X comma y form. Now what are our coordinate? One coordinate is 0, 2, other coordinate is 1, 1, other coordinate is negative 1 and 3, right? Other coordinate is 2 comma 0, other coordinate is negative 2 comma 4, other coordinate is 3 comma negative 1, and final coordinate is -3, 5. All right, so we get coordinates. Now it's very simple, right? When we have a coordinate, it's very simple to plot. Now I already made a graph over here. If you, it's not like perfect graph, but I'm just want to show you how to plot in a graph. So when you have like notebook, graph notebook, you can find a perfect way to plot it, perfect points, everything. So now let's see. When we plot first point, let's see 0 and 2. This is 0 and 2, right? So positive and positive. So we know like our first coordinate is 0 and 0, positive and positive. So now let's see. So we have 0 over here, and now we have y-axis 2, which is this, right? Which is this. So this point is our, you can say 0 and 2, right? Now let's see other points, 1 and 1. Okay, so 1 and 1. So 1 positive and positive. So first quadrant, 1 is here and other one is here. So if you see, our point gonna be here, right? So this is gonna be 1 and 1. Now let's see -1 and 3. So -1 means x-axis negative, which is this. You can say this is negative x-axis, and this is negative y-axis. Okay, so negative x-axis -1, -1 is here, and 3. So 3 is 1, 2, 3. So you can see, like, if you make it perfect like that, right, like this way. So this is -1 and 3. Okay, now let's say 2 and 0. So 2 is positive, 2 is this, and 0 is this coordinate, x-axis is 0. So this is our 2 and 0. Okay, so same way we can plot -2 and 4. -2 means negative axis, -2 here, and 4 is positive 4. So 4 is here. So you can, if you like, go here and then we go there, right? So this is, you can see, -2 and 4, right? Okay, the same way you can plot 3 and -1. 3 is positive, so 3 is positive. -1 is here, right? -1 is here, so our coordinate gonna be 3 and -1. Okay, now our last point is coordinate is -3 and 5. So -3, x-axis -3 here, and y-axis +5, which is, if you see here, right? If you here, you can find our here, this coordinate is -3 and 5. Now if we join those plots, I mean, if you join those points, you will get, you see, if you join those points, you get like this, a straight line. Okay, so you will get a straight line. If you join this point, you will get straight line like this. It's not like it looks a straight line because this graph is not a perfect one, but when you do in a graph notebook, you will get straight lines. So this line is y equal to -x plus 2. So in this way you can graph an equation by plotting points. I hope this video is gonna help you to graph an equation by plotting points. Please go and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.